What term did Adorno and Horkheimer initially use in their drafts before coining culture industry? They originally used the term mass culture. Why was the term mass culture rejected in favor of culture industry? To exclude the interpretation that it is a culture arising spontaneously from the masses themselves. How does the culture industry fundamentally differ from traditional popular art? The culture industry is manufactured from above, whereas popular art could arise spontaneously from the masses. The culture industry fuses the old and familiar into a new quality. What two spheres separated for thousands of years does the culture industry force together? The spheres of high and low art. What is the consequence for high art when it is integrated into the culture industry? Its seriousness is destroyed in speculation about its efficacy. What is the consequence for low art when it is integrated into the culture industry? Its rebellious resistance perishes due to civilizational constraints. In the culture industry's model, are the masses primary or secondary? The masses are secondary. They are an object of calculation and an appendage of the machinery. In the culture industry's model, okay, repetition. According to Adorno, the customer is not the subject of the culture industry, but its object. What is Adorno's critique of the term mass media? It shifts the focus to a harmless terrain away from the controlling spirit or master's voice that sufflates the technology. The masses are not the measure but the dash of the culture industry. Ideology. What principle governs the commodities of the culture industry as expressed by Brecht and Schurkamp? The principle of their realization as value, profit, not their own specific content or form. What distinguishes the culture industry's use of the profit motive from earlier forms of art commodification? The direct and undisguised primacy of a precisely and thoroughly calculated efficacy in its products. What quality of artworks is tendentially eliminated by the culture industry? Their autonomy. What economic pressure led to the creation of the culture industry? The search for new opportunities for the realization of capital as old opportunities became more precarious.